Hi, Guy. Welcome back to another video. Today we went to talk about a new indicator. If you follow my instructions with this strategy, I am sure you don't lose your capital. Watch the whole video to learn how this indicator works and how to use the indicator correctly and without loss. Can be saved, subscribe to my channel, so you can get such profitable indicators and you can avoid the loss. Let's start the trading video. Here's the signal from the sellers. The arrows show us the short time frame trend. Right now, we are seeing a red arrow, which means we have to trade to the downside, and the candles are touching the trend line below. Here, the green line has crossed the red line downwards, means the market is down. Here too, the green line has moved downwards to the red line. We will take the trade. We will take the trade on its crossing, or when the candles touch the trend line. So far, we haven't found any arrow signal from the buyers. If the candle closes below the trend line, then we are taken in a bearish trade. Here again, the candles have touched the trend line and come down strongly. Here we got an arrow sign from the buyers, but we traded with the buyers at this point. The green line has crossed the red line upwards. We take a trade here when the green line crosses back to the red line, and remember the candles are above the trend line. I think you have understood the signals of this indicator very well. Okay, see you next video with another good indicator.